Let's make some chicken parm sandwiches. Alright, so for this, we're going to start with our chicken. So we need some eggs, obviously some chicken, and some panko. I got Italian style panko, because, you know, why not? Now with these, I got the thin sliced ones, so I don't have to do it myself, because I'm that guy. That way, they're thin cut, more like cutlets, more than anything else, and so they cook faster, and they're easier to work with. So we probably got about, I'd say 6 cutlets in there. So we're gonna do probably about 2 or 3 eggs. Okay, then I'm gonna add my breadcrumbs, probably about 2 cups. Start with, I can always add more. Coat it in our egg. And then our panko. Alright, so it looks like I can't count, but I got 4. That's okay. Alright, so we got our pan on, we got our chicken ready, and we're gonna just put enough oil to coat some of our chicken breasts. Not like deep frying it, we're just pan frying it. I'd say just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. And you want these to be on kind of low-ish, medium, because you don't want the breading to burn before the chicken's cooked. So we're just gonna go into the edges, get nice brown, and we'll do that with the rest of the chicken. And I want these to go for at least 3, maybe 4 minutes aside. Alright, so I got my chicken done. Set him off to the side, just right here. We're gonna cut up our fresh mozz. Okay, then I got some ciabatta. Nice big old ciabatta loaf. Okay, then we're gonna put our chicken on them. Okay, then I got some tomato sauce. Just kind of dump it on there. Take our mozz wheels. Okay, we're gonna throw this in the oven at 350 until the cheese melts. So this is what we got going on. Oh yeah. Set her down there. Set the top with it. And just because we're trying to be healthy, we're gonna put some basil leaves on here. It smells amazing. You can put arugula on it. I might later. It's an option. But if you are gonna put arugula on it, dress it up. Always put like an oil vinegar based type spiel together. I have a deli dressing that I use. Oil vinegar, some salt, pepper, some garlic, and some Italian seasoning. Just keep it simple. But as for this, I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit. And then voila. That is a thick boy. Let's dive into it. Let's try it out. I'm so excited to eat this thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is a sandwich. Now I'm not gonna shove the whole thing down my throat. I am gonna cut it into fourths because I'm a kind gentleman that way. Sharing is caring. But I'm gonna go ahead and just take this half because I'll eat 2. So I don't even know if my mouth can get around this thing, but we're gonna find out. Man, this is this is really good. The bread's nice and crunchy, and the sauce is good, and the olive oil actually adds a nice touch to it. Cheese is nice and melted all the way through. Chicken's cooked beautifully. Oh, I can eat a lot of these. Yeah, this is a chicken parm sandwich if I've ever had one, but this is good stuff. Wow. And the basil is fresh, so, I mean, can't complain. Well, there you have it, guys. Chicken parm sandwich. Obviously, a little on the big side, but go big or go home, right? But if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it, comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me what I should do next. Be sure to share with your friends and family, and as always, peace out, guys.